It's one of the busiest airports in the United States, serving over 50 million passengers annually and growing. Orlando International Airport is the gateway to the theme park capital of the world, but its aging terminals are being pushed to the limit. To keep pace with record-breaking demand and to deliver a world-class passenger experience, Orlando is rolling out its biggest project yet, Terminal C. This state-of-the-art facility promises to redefine the future of air travel in Central Florida. But how did we get here, and what makes Terminal C so unique? This is the $3 billion project to fix Orlando.
The current terminals A and B here at Orlando International Airport, have far exceeded its capacity. Originally built for 24 million annual passengers, in 2019 we experienced over 50 million annual passengers.
The airport has come a long way since its origins as a military airfield in 1942. Since its first two terminals opened in the 1980s, Orlando has grown to handle nearly 50 million passengers every year, double the planned capacity. But the real reason for its growth is its proximity to some of the world's most visited attractions, like Disney World, Universal Orlando, and the Kennedy Space Center, boasting more than 80 million annual visitors combined. Add Florida's year-round sunshine and booming population, and you've got a recipe for an aviation hub under immense pressure. As passenger numbers skyrocketed, so did the challenges. The existing terminals, while functional, were showing their age. Congestion in security checkpoints, baggage claim areas, and even the parking structures made traveling through MCO a less than magical experience. The solution? A whole new terminal. Terminal C was envisioned not just as an expansion, but as a transformational project. With a price tag of $2.8 billion, it's the largest single investment in the airport's history. But this isn't just about adding gates, it's about creating a seamless and modern travel experience that leverages the latest technology and sustainable design. Terminal C's design is definitely a departure from the traditional airport layout. The terminal spans 1.8 million square feet, featuring 15 gates capable of handling up to 20 aircraft, including large international carriers. Its design focuses on open spaces, natural light, and intuitive wayfinding, a far cry from the cramped and confusing layouts of older terminals. The use of floor-to-ceiling windows not only floods the space with daylight, but also provides stunning views of aircraft operations. The architectural theme is inspired by Florida's natural beauty, with design elements resembling flowing water and organic forms. But what really sets Terminal C apart is its embrace of technology.
Terminal C is really special because of the different passenger experiences that were included in its development and implementation. From a baggage handling system that is truly state-of-the-art to luggage-first approach to customs and border protection.
From the moment passengers arrive, the experience is designed to be as smooth as possible. Self-service kiosks for check-in and baggage drop drastically reduce wait times. Security lanes are equipped with advanced scanners that eliminate the need to remove laptops and liquids. But the real game changer is biometric technology. Terminal C is one of the first in the US to fully implement facial recognition for international arrivals and departures. Passengers simply scan their face and the system matches it to their passport and flight information. It's faster, more secure, and more convenient. Sustainability is at the heart of Terminal C's design. The facility is targeting the LEED Silver certification, a globally recognized standard for green building. Solar panels on the roof help offset energy usage, while advanced HVAC systems reduce carbon emissions. Even the landscaping incorporates native Florida plants, which require less water and maintenance. Inside, energy-efficient LED lighting and water recycling systems ensure that every aspect of the terminal minimizes its environmental impact. In an era where airports are some of the largest carbon emitters, Terminal C is a step towards a greener future. And Terminal C isn't just about functionality. It's designed to delight passengers and airlines alike. The terminal features a curated selection of dining and retail options, many of which showcase local Florida brands. Passengers can grab a Cuban sandwich, shop for Orlando-themed souvenirs, or even relax in the spacious lounges before their flight. Art is another key feature, with large-scale installations that celebrate Florida's culture and natural environment. These pieces aren't just decorative, they're designed to make the airport experience more engaging and memorable. Of course, a project of this scale doesn't come without challenges. Terminal C's construction was initially planned to finish in 2020, but like many projects, it faced delays due to supply chain issues and the COVID-19 pandemic.
You think about this project and the scale, and the size and all of the challenges that this team has gone through, right, through the pandemic and then the ensuing supply chain issues.
The $2.8 billion price tag also raised eyebrows, with some questioning whether such a large investment was necessary. Despite the setbacks, the airport pushed forward, with executives viewing Terminal C as a long-term solution to its capacity problems and a way to future-proof Orlando's position as a leading travel hub. Since opening in September 2022, Terminal C has already made a significant impact. The facility has welcomed new international routes and carriers, further solidifying Orlando's status as a global gateway. The increased capacity has also alleviated some of the strain on Terminals A and B, improving the overall experience at MCO. Terminal C was designed with future expansion in mind, with space for additional gates and facilities as passenger numbers continue to grow. This is a terminal built not just for today, but for decades to come. So, Terminal C is more than just an airport expansion. It represents Orlando's readiness to meet the challenges of a growing, globalized world whilst delivering a passenger experience that's as magical as the destination itself. It's a blend of cutting-edge technology, sustainable design, and a deep connection to the region's identity.
Looking at what the team achieved here, it goes to show that anything can be achieved.
From the humble beginnings of a small military airfield to a bustling aviation hub, Orlando International is committed to restoring its place as one of the world's top airports.